So if I do something like this, I mean they function, but it's like the tension of the string tends to hold them too vertical. So sometimes the dichloromethane goes up to the top and it just holds there and doesn't actually turn over and cycle. So anyway, this is an interesting form of this. It's not that sunny out. Okay, there's one in the middle. I don't know. The one at the bottom is functioning okay. I think it's because there's less. There one goes. I think it's because there's less tension on the string. So you watch the bottom one's about to cycle there in a second. Still waiting. There it goes. Anyway, interesting. Bye.